So we're going to sit here at this nice picnic, and what are we going to do? We're going to eat?
And then after this, we're going to play, and then we're going to go have a nice party.
A nice party with who?
Ari and Johnny.
Oh, will that be fun?
Yeah, on their house.
Mm-hmm.
Because we got balloons there and presents.
I don't think they're going to have presents, honey.
Yes. Balloons and toys, new toys, and cards, and covers so it says skill of game, and draw, and books, and bags, and fish,
And what do they have over there? What do they have? What toy do they have over there that you think is pretty funny?
and books.
Do they have a kitty cat on a bike? They have a kitty cat that rides a bike.
Yeah.
And what do you?
Turn it on.
Uh-huh.
I'm screaming. Because you're running because I turned it down and whenever you would scream, you always just like, don't get me! Don't get us! What's the later?
You're funny. So which food plate is yours for the picnic? We haven't had our picnic yet.
But this is our picnic.
Yeah, I know, but we haven't eaten yet.
But that is our picnic.
This is our picnic, yes. Looks like you're a good cook, Sloan. Who else is a good cook?
Papa is it?
What? Papa's a good cook.
No, he isn't. He's a bad cook.
No, he's a good cook. Is Papa silly?
Yeah.
Is Papa goofy? Is he a goofball?
Yeah, he's
Are you a goofball?
no.
No, you're not a goofball?
I'm not a goofball. We're gonna play with this. It's my special. We're gonna play with it. Wait over. Wait over here. Come on, let's over here.
Okay.